Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I want to show you a short experiment done by Google Labs. So this is in a playful way you can explore out career possibilities with AI. So the name of this AI tool is Career Dreamer, and over here you can literally figure out which career you want to do, or a lot of roles and responsibilities you can check out in different fields. So this is like a short experiment done by Google Labs, as you can see on the top right corner. This is like a good experiment done to figure out, like which type of a job you want to do, which type of roles you're looking for, what you can do, and yeah. So let's get right into it. Let's click on start and let's give some few details. To start, share a current or previous roles. Okay, so my previous role was trainee assistant software consultant. Okay, optional, right? I don't want to give a organization name. Want it to be hidden. Generating insights. Okay. By the way, guys, this is going to be a short video because I just wanted to show you this fun experiment done by Google Labs. So you can also figure out which type of job you want to do or roles regarding your, like career and things. Okay, so let's give an option from here. Select all the tasks you performed as a trainee assistant consultant. They allow foundational knowledge of software development cycle and methodologies, assist senior consultants in gathering and analyzing client requirements. Yes, I did this. Learn and apply various software testing techniques to ensure product quality. No. Participate in coding and debugging activities under guidance. Yes. Contribute to the creation of technical documentation. Yes, I did this too. Collaborate with team members on project planning and execution. Yes. Gain proficiency in relevant programming languages and development tools. Yes. Uh, Develop foundational knowledge of product software development lifecycle and methodologies. Yes. Click on next. Okay. Now it's generating insights. Select at least three skills that apply to you. Uh, Problem solving, technical aptitude. To this method, it's suggesting a foundational understanding of technology and capacity to learn technical concepts. Technical aptitude, client communication, team collaboration, analytical thinking, adaptability, documentation. I did every single skill over here, to be honest with you. Let's click on next. Well done, yeah, I did an experience. So this is the career identity statement. I translate client requirements into functional software solutions through analytical problem solving and collaborative development. By supporting the full software development lifecycle from coding and debugging to precise technical documentation, I ensure the delivery of reliable user-focused outcomes. This actually looks really nice. Maybe I can add this in my, in my resume. I'll just copy this and paste this somewhere. Let's give an education to level master's degree, subject area business analytics. Analytics. Data analytics, statistical modeling, predictive analytics, database management, business acumen, data visualization, machine learning fundamentals too. Click on next. Now it's creating a new career identity statement because I gave a education that I did my master's in business analytics. So okay, so now it shows I leverage a background in business analytics and software consulting to bridge the gap between technical execution and strategic data insights. My approach combines statistical modeling and predictive analytics with a practical understanding of the software development lifecycle to deliver data-driven solutions that address complex client requirements. Wow, this career identity statement is really nice. I'll change it to this one. It's the sticky notes. Let's create a new note and let's enter here. Okay, nice. Now let's click on explore paths. Let's see what paths or jobs I can do based on my experience and my master's degree. Wow, look at all the roles available over here as a map. So this is what I wanted to show you today based on your experience and your master's or bachelor's degree. You can figure out which type of job or role you want to do in future, or yeah, like currently right now. You can able to like get an insight into what type of job you can do. So these are all the career paths available for me, and it looks really nice. Web developer, technology consultant, decision scientist. This is the first time I heard this job role called as decision scientist. Wow. Then there is business process analyst, customer insights analyst, mobile application developer, operations analyst. Is the map movable? No, it's just like here. Okay. Software developer, engineer, computer programmer, business intelligence developer, data architect, data product manager, quantitative analyst, data or mining analyst, computer scientist. Wow, these are all the roles you can do. And then take action. Workshop a resume. Okay, let's do this thing. Copy prompt. Can I paste it directly here? Oh, it does. Okay, let's copy this prompt about workshopping and resume, and let's give it to Gemini and see how it does it. Okay, so this is the prompt we got from Career Dreamer as a JSON, including all our experience and our degree. And now let's ask Gemini to create a good standout resume, and let's tell it to create a resume not on a specific role, like a general resume. So I'll just say, just create a resume for general purpose, such as applying to different roles like business analyst or data analyst or finance analyst and many much more. So thanks thanks to Career Teamer, I will be able to create a standout resume based helping with the help of Gemini because it made a compelling prompt. Like the Career Dreamer made a compelling prompt for us to make a resume, which is really amazing. So here is our resume. Here's a clean one-page general purpose resume draft tailored to showcase your unique blend of software consulting foundation and advanced business analytics training. Professional summary, detail oriented, highly analytical professional holding a master's degree in business analytics paired with. And here is all over the whole resume. This is really nice. So thanks to Career Dreamer, I got a new resume for me based on my strengths, which is really nice. And that's everything from my side. This is what I wanted to show you today. You can also create a cover letter help with the help of Career Dreamer on Gemini, or you can explore more job ideas. So you can explore all the paths which you can do over here. You can explore the paths based on your experiences, educations, and skills. So these are all the job roles which you can do in the future, or like pick up a job from here and try to do it. So this is a really nice, insightful AI tool, and it's a fun experiment. So I liked using this. So that's why Career Dreamer is, like a fun experiment to do in your free time. And that's everything from my side. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot. Thank you.